Hello dear all, today we are going to discuss what is model builder and how to create a model builder using ArcGIS. Okay, first of all we will discuss what is model builder. So basically model builder is an application used to create, edit and manage the models. Models are a workflow that strings together sequence of the geoprocessing tool, providing the output of one tool to another as an input. Model Builder can also create through a visualization programming language for model for building workflows. Hope you understand very well. This is basically a clip study area and add field. This is the model for clipping the study area, for adding the fields and calculate the field area. This one is example, this one is another example. Basically the model builder is the you can say is that it is used for automatic automation of tools. Okay, now we are going to discuss how to make it. Today we are going to make a model for land surface temperature for the Landsat 8. Okay, first we are going to open the ArcMap. Here you can see is that this icon is represented as a model builder. Click here. Okay, you can also make it broader for good visualization. Okay, we are going to create a model just like this is the model that I created, and we are create this model again. Okay, the first step is to input the band 10, band 11, band 4 and band 5. Okay, for this purpose you need to go catalog. Here you can go to the directory where you can store your bands. Okay, my directory is this. I can copy this directory, go here and paste. Okay, this one is band 10. I drag it and paste here. This one is band 11. Okay, the next this one is band 4 and this one is band 5. Okay, the data that we needed for creating a model I imported into my model builder. Now we are going to set it. Okay, you can also click here for zoom out. Okay, the next step is to you can see that this is band 10. Click here and rename it. Type here band 10. Hit the OK button. Then this one is band 11. Okay, rename it. Type here band 11. Then next band is band. Which band is that? This is band 4. Rename it. And this one is band 5. Okay. The data are imported in the model builder. The next step is to add a tool named as a raster calculator. You can search also here. Open the search bar and type here raster calculator. Hit the search button. Then this one is a raster calculator available in special analyst tool. You can also drag here. Okay, okay, the finally raster calculator is imported here. You can add more raster calculator for band 10. Then we are going to add raster calculator for band 4. Okay, now we are going to add the raster calculator for band 5. Okay, okay, we are importing the 3 raster calculator. Okay, this one is deleted from here. Okay, now we are going to make the first equation. Here you can type the first equation for radiance. Okay, copy this and paste here. The first equation is that 0.00334, it's default values for Landsat 8 and 9. Here you can input the band 10, this one. Okay, here you can define the output. The output name is Radiance. We are going to choose another database. Okay, we are choose this database. Okay, here I can type Radiance, band 10 model. Okay, save it and press the OK button. You can see that the raster calculator is the link is create between these three one. The next step is that create equation for here. What is the equation for band 11 radians? Okay, this one is for band 11. Copy it, then paste here and input here band 11. Okay, the same process. You can store it here, radians band 11 model. Okay, save and then okay. You can see that the link is created between them. Okay, the next step is to again import the raster calculator. Go to the search bar and drag it and paste here, then again drag it and paste here. Okay, the next step is that to add the second step. Okay, the second equation is this one for band 10. Okay, copy it and double click on it, and then here you can paste. Here you add band 10 radians, that is band 10 radians named as a model. Okay, here you can save it. Here type BT band 10. Okay, type model. Okay, save it, hit the OK button. Okay, for band 11 these values you can use. Okay, copy it and then double click here. Here you can paste this question and copy this one. Here you can input radians band 11 model. Okay, you can store it, type here BT band 11 model, save. Okay, the link is created between them. Okay, here is a little bit error. Okay, okay, there is a still error in the map algebraic expression. We are trying to find it. Okay, what is the error? Okay, divided by 4.9 divide radians. Here is, I think so. Uh, okay, here we are going to type it. Okay, copy and paste here the values. Okay, I think so. Now it is corrected. The link is not generated between them. Okay, okay. Here is error. You can select Radiance band 11 model. Okay, then hit the OK button. Okay, the link is generated between two these parameters. Okay, the next step is that you can search a tool named as a cell statistics. Click here, drag this tool here and open it. Here you can input these two parameters, BT10, and the next one is BT band 11 model 1. Okay, the parameters are added. Here you can select the mean, overlay statistics option. Here you can select the mean and name as, you can create its name as mean of band 10 and band 11, mean of band 10, 11. Okay, hit the OK button. Okay, we are going to change its output location. Okay, here we can going to copy its name and here we can paste it, start model and save it. Now hit the OK button. Okay, the next step is that we are going to calculate mean LST for band 10 and band 11, but in line 13 and line there is more three parameters. The one of them is emissivity and the one of them propagation vegetation, and these are parameters required for the final LST calculation. Now we are going to calculate all these parameters. For this purpose we are going to add band 4 and band 5. Here you can click here, then add a function name as a float. Here we can input the values for band 5 minus band 4. This is basically NDVI. Okay, going to divide it on band, again import float. Here we can input band 5 plus band 4. Okay, here I can add its name NDVI model. Okay, save it and hit the OK button. The next step is to calculate the proper vegetation propagation of vegetation. For this purpose we are click here and search a tool named as a raster calculator. Again we are going to add the raster calculator here. Here we can input the next equation. Here it's search, drag down it, and there is an one parameter, it's a scale. Here you can input the NDVI model, and what is the equation that NDVI plus NDVI minimum maximum. Okay, here you can minus, okay, sorry, it is a plus minimum value 0.1, and then it is divided by max value 0.55 minus 0.1. Okay, you can save its name as propagation of vegetation PV model. Okay, okay, save it, hit the OK button. Okay, finally this step is also saved. The next step is that to calculate the emissivity. For this purpose, again go to the search bar, and here is a tool named as a raster calculator. Import it from here. Okay, the tool is imported. Here you can double click here, add the emissivity equation. This is emissivity equation. Okay, paste here 0.044 multiply PV. Okay, this one is PV model, then this is save its name as land emissivity. Okay, emissivity model. Okay, save. Okay, okay. The finally, you can say is that it's a time to create the final step. Okay, go to the search bar and drag the tool raster calculator here. Now you can add the final equation. This one is your final equation. This one, copy it and open this one and paste here. You can add here band 10 temperature. Basically it is BT, this one BT band 10 model. Then add here band 10. Okay, this one is band 10. The next step is BT band 10 model. Okay, this one is BT band 10 model. Okay, the next step is add here this emissivity model. Okay, the output you can save it that LST model. Okay, save it. Okay, the expression is correct and hit the OK button. You can see that the links are created just like this. This band 10 is imported from here, band 10 BT is imported from here, and emissivity model is imported from here. Okay, the final step is that to run the model you can also click here and change its direction just like this. And okay, okay, this is the whole model that is created. Okay, the next step is to click here. In this way you can save your model. Here I can add its name, LST model uh, 2023. Okay, save it. Your model is saved in your toolbox. Here you can click save button. Okay, this one is validate the entire model, and this is used for running your model. Now we are going to run the model. Okay, it's take a little bit time, but it when the run is completed, your final output is generated and store the location which you input. Okay, the model is running, executing the raster calculator. Okay, wait until the model is completely run. Okay, I think so. The band and raster calculator are going to execute. First, it execute this one, and now it is going to execute this raster calculator. It is calculating the band 10. Here you can see is that the equation that you are writing. Here you can see the directory. Basically, this one is a directory where it is stored, and this one is a Radiance band 10 model. It is the name of output. So this one is running. Okay, executing the raster calculator 2. This one is the 2 raster calculator. This one is 4, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6, and then so on. Okay, okay. The second one is executing. Okay, the fifth, executing the raster calculator fifth. This one is a fifth raster calculator. Okay, we are going to open this website. Here we are going to explore a little bit about model builders. On desktop ArcGIS, you can understand very well about model builder. What is a model builder? A quick tour of model builder. Then essential model builder vocabulary is. Here are tutorials for model builders. If you want to learn in a deep, you can also uh, explore it from here. A quick tour of model builder. It can explain. It is available in geoprocessing. Then this one is the icon. This is used for connection. This is used for data adding in the model builder. Okay, we are also going to here and explore it. Okay, now the cell statistics is running. Okay, now the cell statistics is completely run. The next is the raster calculator thread is running, that is calculating the NDVI. Okay, this one is used for adding the connection between two parameters, and here you can add the data. From here you can save it. From here you can parent your model on your paper. Okay, this one is used for cancellation purpose. This is the hand button. This is for zoom in, zoom out. It is zoom in and zoom out buttons. This is used for model validation. This is used for running your model, and this one is for connection. And the raster calculator is running. 61661 is running. Here the PV is calculated. Then the seventh one is running. Okay, the final is the eighth one. Okay, wait until the eighth is run. Okay, after running the model, these layers are created. The first one is a LST, the second one is emissivity, radiance band 11, radiance band 10, NDVI, BT, brightness temperature band 10, band 11, and this one is a mean temperature. You can see that this temperature is band 10, band 11, this one is mean, this is a NDVI value 0. Minus 0.2 to 0.5. This is the radiance values. This one is the emissivity value. Now we are going to check it one. Okay, click on it. You can see is that there is this one is contain minimum value. I think so. This is the river, while these are the sand here, which contain the maximum land surface temperature. Okay, well, now we are going to check it. Check out the NDVI. What is okay? Click here and change its ramp, color ramp. Okay, you can see that this is the urban. These are the urban areas, while these are the river. While here the NDVI values are in minus, while here it is in positive response from here. Okay. Uh, Finally, you can see is that urban areas are heated. You can also more classify it. Double click this layer, go to the classified. Here you can define the classes. Here you can select your color ramp. Here it's the option classify. You can also classify by using this and click the OK button, then click OK button. Here you are going to classify. You can see that the urban areas are lies between 16 degrees to the 18 degrees, while these are the sandy areas lies between 18 to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, thank you so much, all of them.